Sonos Era 300 is the most exceptionally sounding Alexa speaker that delivers outstanding sound quality. Are you looking to buy the best Alexa speakers with crisp and balanced sound quality? Then look no further because you are at the right place. Gad Insider would help you find the best Alexa speakers available on Amazon and more online stores without breaking the bank. Top Alexa speakers. Here are the best Alexa speakers that offer an extensive range of tasks while utilizing your voice. Amazon Echo 4th Gen. Amazon Echo 4th Gen is substantially one of the best Alexa speakers, available in a stellar design with a 3-inch woofer and a pair of 2.0.8-inch tweeters. Moreover, you would get it in multiple sizes of 5.7 x 5.7 x 5.2 inches with 2.4/5G/HZ available for just $100. Amazon Echo Dot with Clock 5th Gen. If you are looking to buy a budget-oriented Alexa speaker, then Amazon Echo Dot with Clock, a 1.72-inch speaker, is certainly a perfect fit for you. It entails a plethora of striking features, including a multifunctional LED display in multiple sizes of 3.9 x 3.9 x 3.5 inches, a temperature sensor and Eero mesh built in, and more. Sonos Era 300. Sonos Era 300 is the most exceptionally sounding Alexa speaker that is available in distinctive packaging. It possesses a few special features which aren't available in the other Alexa-enabled speakers, including Dolby Atmos spatial audio tracks for enhanced audio quality. Additionally, users can also connect other Sonos speakers with it for better sound quality and entails the capability to stream audio from several other sources of the brand instead of only Spotify and TuneIn, but SiriusXM, MLB, and more.